everybody, welcome back to Turn 4 Automotive Performance. Bob here with another great Honda modification for you. First, we're going to tell you, buy a t-shirt, $20. Comment below, send us a message on the YouTube channel or on the Facebook page. You can buy these right on the Facebook page. Buy a shirt, win some coilovers. The ISC coilovers right here, supplying us a great set of coilovers for whatever your application is. So buy one of our Turn 4 Automotive t-shirts, win a set of awesome ISC coilovers. This mount kit here is from Innovative Mounts. It's a great Honda K series swap kit for a 92 to 95 EK, EJ, E8 Civic. Going to also work on your 94 to 01 Integras. This kit comes with all the bolts, hardware necessary, bolts, nuts, washers, the whole 9 yards, all the mounts. The only thing this doesn't accept is it doesn't accept the K24 transmission. So K20 transmission on this, manual transmission. All these mounts are textured powder coat, so they won't absorb, the dirt won't stick to them real well, easy to clean off. Full polyurethane bushings in these mounts where there's a bushing, not solid mounts. These are streetable, really good high quality mounts. Really fantastic kit from Innovative Mounts. Go ahead, order this kit for just around $400 and drop that K series into your older Civic that's had the old B series, D series that's just worn out. So K series, that Civic, 200 horsepower right out of the box, and have yourself a good time.